Hello, hi everyone. This is Shak here. Today I will show you that how you will do initial configuration of Paloalto Firewall. So first of all, you will have to install the VMware workstation. Then on VMware workstation, you will need to install EVENG, and then you will need to upload some, the Palo Alto Firewall and maybe some Windows 7 machine to experiment with the system with the firewall. So I have already added images to my EEG. So just we will open the VMware workstation. So my EEG is already running. So yeah, my UNG is running. So the IP address of my UNG it's 192.168.9.1N. So it's integrated with my local adapter with Wi-Fi. So I will open the browser here. So this is the IP address of my UNG topology. So maybe I will close this tab. So you will be the the interface that will be like this in upper style. So you will need to create the topology first. I will delete this one and I will create new one. Follow Alto. Okay, and save it. And this is our interface of the EVG. So here we can add the images and everything. So I have already the Palo Alto firewall, so I will edit the nodes. And here I will search for my Palo Alto towards here, and I will assign 6 GB RAM maybe, and click save. And here I will create uh, one adapter cloud. So so it will be connect like this is my this cloud. It's connected to my local the wireless. So that will get the IP address. So we will assign a static IP address first. So let's get started, and we will create also a window machine. So sorry, we will go and we will create another node Windows. So we have a Windows here, and we will assign a RAM for this one 2 GB, and we will connect the devices. So here I will choose Ethernet 1/1 and will click save. And then from firewall, I will connect my firewall to the 107 machine. It's with the management interface. So we can, uh, configure the firewall through the management interface. So we'll click save. And now we will start all the material, the steps. So click select all and start it. So we will double click, open the firewall interface. And also we will click on the window to open it, the machine. That is starting. It will take a little bit time. I will change the display setting maybe because it's maybe this one little bit bigger. You change. Okay, it's changed. Now we will assign the IP address to this machine. In cpa.cpl. So we will assign IP address to this system. Let's assign IP address. So IP address I will be assigned 10 range like 10.10. And I will use this subnet mask and the gateway will be the firewall IP address. And okay. And continuously we will ping into the firewall because it's not yet configured. And then we will realize it's not pinging, not reachable. Okay, so we will try to configure some things on the firewall. Just wait out. So still it's loading the image. We will try to log in the firewall. Password will be admin. So still it's loading. It's loading the image. So still it will take a little time. So we need to wait. Now it's it's asking for old password. So the old password is admin. And now we will change the password. I will put my own password. Then confirm the password. And now we have logged in. So now we are in the system. So we will check our interface. Show interface management. So as you can see, we don't have configured the IP address. You see IP address unknown, everything is masking. It's nothing configured. So we will configure the things. So we will go to configure mode and then we will type set device config system type static. So we will give a static IP address. And now we will give a static IP address. Config system IP address. So I have decided I will give a IP address 10.10.10.1 and then net mask. Net mask will be 255.255.255.0. And then we will apply a command to save the changes. It's commit. So we will wait until it's finished. So it's completing, it's saving the configuration. Then message will be appear that your configuration is successfully saved. Okay, so now it's everything done. So we will check again the show interface management. And this time we can see that IP address is 10.10.10.1 and the mask is 24 bits. So okay, now we will go to our Windows system to ping. So we can see here it's pinging now. So the connectivity is good, and then we will now to log into the firewall to configure the firewall to be online and to be accessing to the internet. So after configuring the firewall, we uh, will be able to access the internet. So let's go ahead and configure the basic configuration of the firewall. So I will open the Google Chrome and will put here HTTPS colon 10.10.10.1. We will see now. See, it's there. So let's unsave. And now I will make so you will see properly. So let's go and log into the system. It will take little bit time because it's very heavy. It's Paloalto Firewall. So it will take little bit time. So we'll wait. So we are now I am on the system. So as you can see the dashboard, as you can see all the information related to my firewall, IP address, and tags, everything you can see here. So first of all, you will need to go to the network and we will create a zone first. So I will create a new zone. So the zone name, for example, zones outside, maybe we put any name, for example, outside. Okay, and we will choose the type interface type, which is layer 3. And now we will move to the interfaces. uh, Interface. So our interface 1/1 is connected to the internet to my cloud. So I need to configure this one. Click on it, and this will be, for example, external. And interface type layer 3. We'll choose this one, and also we will choose the virtual router is a default. We will not create another one. And the zone, you should choose a zone. So I choose outside, and IP address of the outside interface. It should be from the same range, 192.168.9.150. So I decided to put this IP address, and click on OK. So this is configured. Now we will go to the virtual router and we will click on the default one. We will not create another one. We need to click on this one in virtual router, and here we will We need to add a default route or to access outside from this firewall. So it's be a default. The destination will be this one. So there will be no issue to go to outside my firewall. And the next hop IP address is my route gateway. So it's 192.168.9.1, and that's it. Click OK and OK. So now it's configured, and now we will check that my router it's communicating with the outside world or not. So I will try to ping host source 92.168.9.150.8.8.8.8. Wait to because we need to configure our DNS server. Because our DNS is still not yet configured, so we need to configure DNS first. So my DNS IP address will be 8.8.8.8.8.4.4. Okay, okay. We will go to the server configuration, customize DNS, and here we will choose my outside interface, which is this IP address. Click on OK. But we forgot to commit the changes on the firewall. So now we will commit the changes, and we will check now. The changes are saving now to the system. See, now it's saving the changes. And successfully the changes has been saved. So now we will check the firewall, the connectivity, and this time we will ping host 8.8.8.8, and now as you can see it's pinging. Our firewall is online. Yeah. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video.